Hey YouTube, it's Cece, your frugal housewife. I am coming to you today with a recent purchase I made from www.glameyes.com. You ladies know I do this. I'm a promoter for, well, if you didn't know, I'm going to let you know now. I'm a promoter for Glam Eyes. And so I do makeup looks, and now my makeup looks are not as extensive and as great as some of the other ladies. I mean, Pure Eye Candy, she does a wonderful job. So you ladies go out and check out some of her looks. My looks are really simple. Like today I just put a little liar over my eyes and put on a little lip gloss. But anyway, the purchase I made was some honey contact lenses. And the reason I did that is because, ladies, I'm looking for a simple way to help some of us get our sexy back. And I'm going to do a close-up. Let me pull the camera in. And hopefully you can see through my glasses. See, my eyes are really standing out. And here they are without the glasses. Let me back it up a little bit. Wait. Oh, wow. Oh, shoot. Let me put them back on so I can see what I'm doing, y'all. Okay, here we go. It's coming. It's coming, y'all. Be patient with me. Let's see. I think that's it. Yeah, okay. So anyway, sorry about that. So anyway, yes, I'm trying to help us get our sexy back because, you know, I've been wearing glasses since I was in kindergarten. But, you know, I know some ladies, as we get older, we start to wear glasses, we gain weight, you know what I'm saying? We have kids, and sometimes we lose ourselves in our kids, and that is something that me personally, I have done. I have lost myself. I had 2 children later in life, plus I have older children, you know, and I have honestly lost myself within my kids and my boyfriend, and I had kind of lost my sexy. And so I'm getting my sexy back, and I got the color contacts because I wanted my eyes to stand out, and I don't care for wearing contacts to see with because I don't see as well as I do with my glasses, and I'm more comfortable in my glasses. But I purchased these from www.glameyes.com. I got them like in 2 days, and they're really nice. The next pair I'm getting will be the hazel green. I think that would look pretty. They look nice up against my complexion. They're not too bold and bogish, you know, bold. You know, some of you ladies may want to go for bold, but me personally, I just didn't want to go for bold. I just wanted to enhance my everyday look, and I like them. I really like them. So if you're interested in some good color contacts, they're fresh look color contacts, go over to www.glameyes.com and check them out. And they're very comfortable, no problem with them. So you ladies go over there and check them out. And with that, have a blessed day. Thank you. Bye.